Again, it's a rich thing.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back. This video is not going to be a tutorial. You're not going to learn anything, but a lot of you guys are going to be happy about what I'm going to say here, and this is that the NeuralNine Discord server is now online. In fact, it has been online for the past couple of days already. As you can see, we have 47 members online now, and we have 221 offline members as well. We have 3 bots. We have me as NeuralNine, and we have an admin. I don't think he's online right now. There you go, Avip or Avip. I don't know how it's pronounced. A very helpful person that rescued the server from some raids. However, this is the NeuralNine community servers. A lot of you guys have been requesting this server or a Discord server for this community in general. What you can find here is, first of all, of course, a welcome page, then some rules, some basic stuff like, don't spam, don't hack, don't post inappropriate content, don't use any inappropriate nicknames, use the proper channels. This is very important. I'm going to talk about that in a second. Also questions, where to ask questions, where not to ask questions, and so on, and how to communicate here and so on. So those are the basic rules. Then we have some NeuralNine channels. Those are channels that you cannot write into. You can just get the content from them. For example, announcements. Now, whenever I want to announce something like, I'm working on this new project, this and this is going to happen, you're going to find it here. Whenever I upload a new video, you're going to see the bot posting this video here. Whenever I want to talk about a new book that I'm currently writing on or that I'm publishing, you're going to see it in the books tab or in the books channel. And then we have some special tab here. I don't really know what I'm going to post in here. Maybe some social media stuff, related content. And then you have the community rooms. You have general, where you just chat about everything. As long as you keep the rules, you can basically write whatever you want here. What's going on? How are you guys? I'm bored. Anyone want to play a game or something like that? You can just chat with the people here. Sometimes I'm in here and chatting as well. Then we have programming. This is more like people asking questions about their code or talking about general programming opinions. As you can see, sometimes I'm also in here discussing or helping or chatting with the people. We also have projects where people can showcase their projects. They can show what they're working on, and then people are going to either comment on it or react to it or just ignore it. Then we have memes, where people post funny or not so funny stuff, and memes. And then we have questions. In questions, you can post all the questions that you have, like how can I do this, which is the best programming language for me, and so on. The only important thing on this server is, of course, like the obvious stuff, don't spam and so on, but also that you post the stuff in the respective channel. So if you have questions, don't post them in general. I mean, if you have a casual question like, any ideas what I can be working on next, that's probably okay. But if you ask something like, look, I have this project and on line 50, I have this problem. Can someone help me? Either post it into programming or post it into question. Don't text people directly unless, they're okay with that. Don't mention me all the time. Don't ask me all the time. If you have a question and I know the answer and I want to answer, I will answer in the questions channel. So if you have a problem and you want my help as well, still ask it in the questions channel and don't text me directly, because then you're not going to get an answer. Unless, of course, it's justified. So some people texted me that the server is being raided. And of course, if you text me something like that, that's perfectly fine. But the basic idea is that you don't just blur out all the questions. I think blur out is not really the right verb here, but you don't just ask all the questions directly by spamming. So this is the Discord server. All right, so if you want to join the community, if you want to join the Discord server, just check out the link in the description down below. By clicking it, you're going to get an invite and you're going to be able to join the server, and then you can start chatting with all the people here, including me. As long as we don't have like multiple thousand members or a lot of members constantly texting, I should be able to participate in discussions and chats in the beginning at least. So having said that, let's also talk a little bit about other social media channels. Because we have the chance right now. And I think this is important because I noticed that YouTube is sometimes a little bit unpredictable when it comes to what they're taking down or who they are taking down. So right now, I don't think that I have any controversial topics on my channel, but I have had them in the past, and I was forced to move some of my content to Patreon because YouTube was striking it, basically. And this is also happening to other people on YouTube, and it is not always justified. And I don't want to talk about all this. I have made a statement on Twitter, and I have a video online on Twitter where I talk about all the stuff that happened to my channel. And you can also just look on YouTube and watch videos of other YouTubers that talk about what happened to their channels. But the fact is that you don't have a secure quote-unquote job when you are a YouTuber, because YouTube can just shut down your channel tomorrow and you have lost your audience, no matter if you have 1 million subscribers or 100K or 50K. And because of that, of course, I'm going to continue to make YouTube videos, and I'm going to keep the schedule that I have right now. But also, I want to have your guys around on other channels as well. Not channels on YouTube, but social media channels. For example, Discord server is one of those things where I can reach out to you. If my channel is gone, I can just text you here in the announcement tab. For example, I can say, okay, look guys, my channel is now gone, and this is what I'm going to do next, and so on. And if you're interested in that, you can also check out my Twitter. I don't have a lot of Twitter followers. As you can see, now on YouTube, I have currently 78.5K subscribers, which is quite a lot compared to 629 followers. So if you want to reach out to me on Twitter, I'm probably going to notice it, especially if you send me a message, because no one is sending me messages on Twitter. So I guess if you want to contact me, Discord and Twitter right now are the best chance, because I don't have a lot of messages there. So if you want to know what's happening and if you want to get the updates first, most of the time I'm going to post them on Twitter first, as you can see somewhere down here, letting the Twitter followers know it first. Discord server is now online. The first link that I have ever posted on about this Discord server was on Twitter, because since the following there is pretty small, usually I post there first. If you want to be part of a larger audience, you can also check out my Instagram page. On Instagram, I actually have more followers than on YouTube. As you can see, I have 168K. I think that is more than twice as much that I have on YouTube. And you can see that I post all sorts of infographics here. Also, when I post videos, I sometimes mention that I have posted a video, some memes, some code samples, some quotes, some all sorts of things basically on Instagram. And of course, I also get messages on Instagram, as you can see, so you can contact me there as well. But there I get quite a lot of messages, so probably Twitter or Discord is a better channel for contacting me. And for those of you, because a lot of you guys are asking for more personal content. Now, I know most of you guys are here for the code, but some people are asking, okay, when are you going to do some fitness videos? When are you going to talk about books or investing or about room tours? Show your setup and all that. On this channel, I want to focus on, and also on Instagram and on Twitter, I want to focus on programming, machine learning, and artificial intelligence tutorials. I'm not here to show my life or to show fitness or something like that. However, I like that content as well. And if you guys are interested in my personal content, if you're interested in more about, fitness and books and investing and lifestyle, even though I'm not a lifestyle blogger in any way, you can check out my personal Instagram page, which is my public personal Instagram page, which is Florian Dedov, without any points, without any underscores. And you can see I post books here. I post pictures of myself, some workout stuff, some jiu-jitsu stuff, some Brazilian jiu-jitsu stuff, some setups, some supplements, some public speaking at Toastmasters, travel, and all that stuff. So if you're interested in that content, for those of you who are interested in it, you can just follow me on Instagram.com/FlorianDedov or at FlorianDedov on Instagram. So I just wanted to mention that so that you guys, if you're really fans of NeuralNine, you can stay in touch with me on all these channels. You don't have to be limited to YouTube. You don't have to just follow me on YouTube. Because if YouTube someday decides to take out my channel or to take down my channel, and I hope it never happens, but if they decide to do it, I still have you guys around on Instagram, on Twitter, and on Discord. So that's it for this little announcement today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you didn't actually learn anything. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you're going to be part of Discord, and you're going to be part of Instagram and Twitter, and also my personal Instagram profile. By the way, I didn't show that I also have a personal Twitter profile. I also have the same thing on Twitter, but there I'm not really active yet. So if you go to Florian, now it's lagging, come on, Florian, dead off. You can also find me on Twitter, even though I'm not really posting there a lot. But maybe if you guys follow me on Twitter, I'm going to change that. However, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to see more, I don't know, announcements, more community projects, more stuff like this, more stuff like a Discord server, let me know by hitting a like button, leave a comment in the comment section down below. And besides that, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to not miss a single future video for free. Other than that, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video, and bye.